Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be looking at the gearbox again on the Golf, because yesterday I took it for a little drive down to Stockport. When I got off the motorway, noticed it was a bit sticky coming out of fifth gear. Parked up, got back in it, could not get it back into fifth gear. Don't know what's happened to it. Hopefully the gearbox hasn't crapped itself and it's something nice and simple, but we'll get her out, get her up and have a look. Let's go. Okay, so it does seem to be going in fifth gear now the car's cooled down. I'm just going to make sure that it's not catching on anything in the engine bay. Right, so down there, you can see, let me just, 1 minute. So the gear selector here looks like it's hitting this heat shield here. So we can bend this down somehow, which should hopefully stop it.
Can you get something stuck underneath there?
Go on, try that.
No, it's not good there. I'll bend it here. I'll be underneath there. It's not touching there. There, that's it there. See it there?
I'll try, yeah.
There. Got it?
Yeah.
That's moving.
Too bendy, isn't it? Too bouncy.
How's that? Fine.
I'll go and do the gears, yeah? What's it catching on there? Yeah, it's fine, that. Yeah, what is it?
Yeah, it's good. Yeah. I better move it round.
Oh, how'd you move it around?
I don't know. Try it now.
Fifth, yeah. What's it? I mean, it seems to be catching a little bit. That feels better.
I think the matter with this, we'll do this nut. We'll do this nut here, Scott.
Okay. Where's that 13mm spanner gone?
Push it forward.
We'll just, that should be fifth. But the gears aren't moving, are they? The linkages aren't moving. Are they?
More. 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 Put it there now. Put it there. Tighten it up now. I moved it along a bit. I've had it sticking out.
Oh yeah, it was too far in, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Well done. Okay, there we go. I think that's now sorted. Bit easier than expected. Just a case of bending that shield down and moving the pole, the gear selector rod forward. Maybe it'll help you. If you found it useful, give us a like, click on subscribe. And see you in the video again soon. Bye bye.